All right. Let's talk to Don and Carol. They used to make Organite, and she was a psychic. I'm actually wearing, Carol, your Organite that I bought before you passed, that you made. Dolphin. Still as powerful as ever. Okay, let's get this set up. I got questions for you guys. Don and Carol, I hope we can connect today. So, lots of conspiracy theories out on the street. Let's see what Spirit has to say. I'm using the Hope Spirit Box today. Yesterday, I used the desktop version and the radio chat. And so I'll show you a few clips of that before we connect with Don and Carol here. All right, hello, Spirit. Is there anyone out there to talk to me today? Any info on the drones flying over New Jersey lately? Who... Oh, nice piano sound. Who owns those drones?
Lieutenant, sign the book. Lieutenant, sign the book.
Lieutenant? Okay. I figured it was the government, even though they're saying it's not.
There's a Mike Martin. There's a Mike Martin.
Okay.
Continue to pursue.
Allow these gadgets.
Support for stream.
Support for stream.
Cincinnati off. Cincinnati off.
Cincinnati. Okay. WKRP in Cincinnati.
Support for streaming on WUKY.
WUKY.
Under.
Under. Under. Under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. Life is much better down where it's wetter. Take it.
Request for a new plan to also support for streaming on WUKY.
Okay. 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 I really need to check out WUKY, I see, because that's like the third time you said that.
As Brett Sherman says, led the charge to sink.
Led the charge to sink. Aha, so it's something natal. It's something about the ocean.
For streaming on UKY.
We're streaming on UKY. I get that. Okay, you're saying streaming again. WUKY. UK. Are you saying something about the UK?
Chance at the floor. Chance at the floor.
The chance on the floor. Yeah, the floor of the sea.
CEO, Treasury yields were mixed in the bond market. Yield of CEO, Treasury yields were mixed in the bond market. Yield of
Streaming on W.
Okay.
I'm a member of the Equitables. I'm a member of the Equitables.
All right. Hello. May I please speak to Don and Carol Croft? Hello, Don and Carol. Are you available to chat today? Hi, nice to see you. We had technical difficulties the first time. Yes, I do have lots of questions for you guys today about the orbs and the drones. Is this thing on? I don't know. Is it on your side? Do we have connection here? I hope the Archons aren't trying to stop our connection. Okay, so who's in charge of these drones before I lose you guys again? I need to have all the answers. Who's in charge of the drones? Okay. Beep, I heard. What are they for? Like, what's the purpose of all this? Okay. Yeah, because I looked at my rock that shows movies. All sorts of stuff over the years. I've used this rock to sort of see movies inside. Anyways, they showed me a few images of the drones, as you can see here, and it looks kind of fiery though. It looks kind of like not cool. What do you guys say about the drones, like used for like weapons or? Okay. Are they going to pretend a nuclear attack or some kind of pretend thing, like a Project Bluebeam thing, and make us scared? Like, what's going on there? Okay. How does Elon Musk fit in all this with his brother owning that Nova Sky drone thing or whatever? Like, how does that all... Is this all a marketing? I think I seen this on TikTok. I just thought of it. This girl had a theory that maybe it's an Elon Musk marketing thing, or is it deeper than that? Some people think they're ushering in devilish entities into our world, and they don't like sunlight, so that's why they're trying to Bill Gates and friends are trying to cover up the sun. Any word about that conspiracy? Well, it sounds like the drones are mostly used for spying and maybe creating the new world order, maybe. So we all know this is coming. You have to be observant of it, but not get too involved in it, in my opinion, right? That's why she said we ignore it. All the fear, all the programming on the media and TV and movies and all the things, right, to program us into a certain reality tunnel. So that's my opinion about all this, is that, they're not a threat. Otherwise, they would have been shot down, first of all. And it definitely makes sense to spy on us even further. So that's my take on this. What do you think? Post in the comments below.